adventurous though. We finally made it in. Geez, after about 30 minutes? About 30 minutes in the line? Or more than that? 35 minutes? About 35 minutes in the line, and we're finally in. The rides are there. There's a bunch of rides in here. Honey, let's see if I can capture us in this background. Hold up tight, just to see if I can capture. Tyler, hold him, lift him. I just want to see if we can capture. I remember we had this one here. Sarah. Guys, this might be the start of a new vlog. We are heading out right now to go where, Ty? Where are we going?
To the Christmas market.
Yes, we're going to the Christmas market in town.
And because it's the first Saturday,
it's gonna be full. So I decided that I am not even taking the stroller. I'm taking the strap. The straps are on me. That way I can navigate through this crowd a lot. But the fun things about going... Where are we driving here? Oh. The fun thing about going to Christmas market for me is that it feels very Christmassy. And you guys may or may not know that Christmas is my absolute favorite time of the year. Christmas time is my favorite time of the year, and I'm going to the Christmas market because my favorite thing to eat is there, and I have to get it. Babe laughing because you know what that is. What's my favorite thing to eat, honey?
Start with a C.
Churros! Yes, and Tyler's favorite thing to eat is also there.
What is Tyler's favorite fish to eat?
Crepe!
Start with a C too.
So I'm so looking forward to the Christmas market. It's always an experience, and I remember last year Babe went on some of the rides with Tyler. Tyler didn't get to see Santa Claus last year because the line was long, and I don't know if he's gonna get to see Santa Claus this year again, but he saw Santa Claus yesterday at school, so I think that will sizzle in his spirit. Anyway, you guys, the kiddies are in the back. Yes, Ty? We're heading to the Christmas market right now. Sarah's around there. There she is, kicking that foot as usual. Yes, Ty?
And she said hello, but she just...
Who say hello?
Like Sarah. I saw her, she just waved like that.
Okay. Alright, I'll take it. Anyway, you guys, let's go enjoy this Christmas market. So it's our first time in town since the Christmas season, and this is what the mall look like. I always love to see this mall decoration. Always looks so nice. There's also Santa Village, Santa Claus. This is Santa Ty. Santa Claus over there. You see him? See him over there? No, it's a different one. Streets are so full. The streets is so full.
Santa,
oh my god. You see Santa? Yes! You see Santa Claus over there? It's just full. I can see the Christmas market from here. There's so much people out. Oh my gosh. But it's just after 5 anyway. It's just 5:30, but it's dark. Which bank you going? The one over there? Santa playing music, Ty. Santa playing music. Hey, your hat falling off. Guys, we made it to town and hopefully you guys can hear me. It's so much people out here. There's a lot of noise out here. There's a lot of lights. The vibe feels so good. It really does feel like Christmas. I actually just saw one of my friends and we were talking. I didn't even realize that I didn't take out the camera. There's a Nigerian lady that lives here in Nice and we always wanted to meet in person. She have quadruplet boys. They're so adorable. I just met her just now. So now we are in town. We are in the center of town. We are about to enter the Christmas market, which is in front of us. But gosh, hopefully I can capture as much of this as possible because there's so much people. And I thank God that I didn't carry the stroller and strap Sarah onto me because girl, there's so much people out here, but it feels so good. Ty, guess what is here? Peace salad, yeah.
I want to eat it.
Let's see. Ah, wow. Okay, so the first thing we're seeing is the wheel. We went in that. I think 2 years in a row we went in that, or probably 1 year. Oh, normally this stop, no? They don't normally have the tram coming through. No, they don't normally have. Make sure you hold on to tie. All right, we going there? We're going there first? Yeah. All right, let's go. So there goes the wheel. Bunch of people out here. We enter right here. And I hear music going on over there. Always take the corner lane. Always take the corner lane. Yes, Ty? Why can't? You guys, look at the line. That's the line. We finally made it in. Geez, after about 30 minutes? About 30 minutes in the line? Or more than that? 35 minutes? About 35 minutes in the line and we're finally in. The rides are there. There's a bunch of rides in here. Honey, let's see if I can capture us in this background. Hold up tight, just to see if I can capture. Tyler, hold him, lift him. I just want to see if we can capture. I remember we had this one here. Sarah. Yes. Which one you want to go in? You want to go in this one?
Not yet.
Not yet, okay?
Last time you went in this one.
You went on that one last time. Let's just find another one. And we went in this one the last time too. I just love the lights in here. And there's Christmas shop everywhere. There's Christmas shop over there. Yes, you always say that. Last year you said that too. These are like the baby Jesus, Mary, and the stable, and everything that Christmas is all about is under here. That's gonna go under your Christmas tree. What's the cost? Really?
54 for this.
How much? 54? Wow, they're expensive.
It's
Ooh,
handmade.
yeah. These are our Christmas shop. I want to go straight to the churros section.
Another line.
I want to go straight to the churros.
You remember one day you vomit like?
Yes.
Everywhere.
Was I pregnant at the time?
I don't think so.
I don't think so either. I think I had just ate it too fast. But hello. Why don't you make it stronger? You have ice skating over there. I want to do that. Ice skating. Ooh, there's drawing over there. That should be cool. There's candy shop over there. There's card shop over there. Let me show you guys as I go along. Where?
Yeah.
The line don't look too long, so this one can do. Churros, churros, churros. Yes.
What else?
Ask Tyler what he wants. Tyler, do you want a crepe? Crepe Nutella? Tyler, crepe Nutella. I want churros with hot chocolate, melted chocolate. I think they give it in a little container.
No.
Of course, we're getting churros. Yes. Yes. I think this is the same one we bought from last year.
Yeah, every time we stop at the first.
Yeah.
I don't know if they always
You ordered a hot chocolate?
stay with the
chocolate in a little container, no?
that's still them they keep it.
Yeah,
So
but
you have to do the
I have to go in the line.
line for the crepe, I go to the line for the sugar.
Okay. Don't let anybody pass you, you know. Come, Ty. Ready for your crepe? So getting crepe ticket. Hey, Mama, you want crepe? You want crepe? You want crepe? Yeah. Ty, come here. You're reading. He doesn't miss a chance to read everything he sees.
That order is Nutella.
And she's gonna make the crepe here.
Bonsoir les mesdames, bonjour.
Bonjour, here. Give it to her.
Une crêpe au Nutella? Est-ce que tu veux une petite ou une grande crêpe? Une petite? Bon, c'est pas très rigolo une petite crêpe. Je sais pas où les grandes. C'est rigolo quand même, mais je sais faire que des grandes crêpes. Alors combien de grande crêpe? Et du Nutella ou des légumes? Du Nutella? Beaucoup ou pas beaucoup? Ah, une petite crêpe avec beaucoup de Nutella? T'es gourmand toi hein? Elle est là ta crêpe.
Sarah, look. She's making crepe for brother.
Il faut juste prendre le ticket en caisse si vous avez besoin. Là-bas? Juste là à côté la petite caisse.
Non, je vais payer à $10. Oh, t'as la look.
Beaucoup de Nutella. Et voilà mon grand. De rien, fais attention c'est chaud. Hein.
Merci, au revoir. Come. C'est papa here? Come.
Want to go inside to make him eat?
Yes, come. Let's go eat. Yummy?
faut arriver.
I'm not ticket to send them back.
Royal, so much.
Well, I don't know, she gave you that.
How much did they order? Where is she?
Yeah! Look the amount of churros we've ordered. Maybe how much churros you ordered until you sure! Thanks to Rose. Rose thought let me churros with chocolate.
I know that was €5.
This was €5?
That heavy?
Come Ty, eat your
No, I'm on the
Nutella.
same cause on the cup than the pen.
Eat your crepe. Hold it like this. Sarah said look at babe. Look at this bag of churros though. It tastes so good. There's a hot wine bar over there. This place over here. Handbag shop over there. No, not this one, not this one. Not this one. You're going on another one. Have fun, okay? Keep your ticket in your hand until the lady come and get it. I should put him to face that way. So one stays there. Ask him fast. Hurry, hurry. Him say no? Okay. Where's the chocolate? You guys, Tyler is on his ride. He's on the train right in front of us. He said he wants to go on the train. So he's on this train right here. Where is he? He's over there. Tyler! While babe and I here eating churros. And Sarah, I put the chocolate on Sarah's tongue.
Yeah. Can you manage?
Well. Tyler's in this train. He's having the time of his life. Oh Lord, while one baby's screaming. That baby just wanna get out already. This entrance is good. Uh-oh. Yeah. Tyler! Keep your ticket safe. Look at her jumping to the music. Sarah, say hello.
Right? It's getting cold.
No, it's okay. I guess the jacket makes it okay. Sarah dancing. On your horse, your last ride for the night. It's the last ride for the night, okay? Then we're gonna hunt Pisaladie. Babe. Ooh. Tyler. Look at my boy. Tyler. Hi. I wanted a French thing called Pisaladie, but there's none, so he got pizza. It's yummy? Yeah? You guys, Sarah wants to sleep, and so is baby, it seems. No?
My headache.
You guys will stop at McDonald's for dinner break. Right, Ty?
Yes,
And can you guys tell I'm hungry? Look at my face. Hungry face.
Mama, I feel
Why are you so loud? There's a mouth over my head. Anyway, you guys, we're waiting on this food to come. Boo boo. How was your evening, honey?
It was good.
Tyler, how was your evening? How was the Christmas market?
It was fine.
You had fun?
Yes.
You should. You guys, we are on our way home. It's now after 9 p.m. and we had a well spent day, especially this evening. Tyler had so much fun.
You have to go out of the house and, you know, have fun. Every time, it doesn't matter, just out of the house and you have the feeling that